Attracting women can be a challenging endeavor for many men, often filled with misunderstandings and missteps. In this video, we will explore common mistakes that men frequently make when trying to connect with women. These pitfalls not only hinder their chances of success, but can also create uncomfortable situations. By identifying these errors, we can set the stage for a more effective approach to dating. Understanding the nuances of attraction is essential, as it goes beyond just physical appearance. It involves communication, confidence, and respect. Throughout this discussion, we will highlight practical tips to improve dating strategies and foster genuine connections. So, whether you're new to dating or looking to refine your approach, stay tuned as we dive into these common mistakes and how to avoid them. One of the most common mistakes men make when trying to attract women is failing to establish eye contact. Eye contact is a powerful tool in building attraction and connection. It conveys confidence, interest, and sincerity, which are essential qualities that women often look for. When you avoid eye contact, it can come across as disinterest or insecurity, making it harder to create a genuine connection. On the other hand, maintaining eye contact shows that you are engaged in the conversation and value what she has to say. It helps to foster intimacy and trust, making her feel more comfortable around you. So, the next time you approach a woman, remember that a simple gaze can speak volumes and significantly enhance your chances of making a meaningful connection. By doing so, you create a relaxed atmosphere that encourages natural interactions, fostering attraction and connection. Anxiety often creeps in, making you second-guess your every move. This mental chatter can lead to awkward interactions that feel forced and unnatural. Instead of focusing on what to say or how to act, try to stay present in the moment. One effective tip is to take a deep breath before approaching someone. This simple act can help calm your nerves and ground you. Remember, women appreciate authenticity and confidence over rehearsed lines. Embrace the spontaneity of conversation. It can lead to genuine connections. Let go of perfectionism and allow yourself to be vulnerable. One of the most common mistakes men make is relying on generic pickup lines. These one-size-fits-all phrases often come across as insincere and can make the other person feel like just another target. Authenticity is key when starting a conversation. Instead of using rehearsed lines, take a moment to observe your surroundings or the woman herself. Personalize your approach by commenting on something specific about her or the environment. This not only shows genuine interest, but also opens the door for a more meaningful exchange. Remember, women appreciate authenticity over clichés. By being yourself and engaging in a conversation that reflects your personality, you create a connection that is far more likely to lead to attraction and rapport. So ditch the lines and embrace authenticity. One of the most common mistakes men make when trying to attract women is placing excessive emphasis on physical appearance. While it's natural to want to look good, relying solely on looks can be a major turn-off. Women often seek deeper connections that go beyond surface-level attraction. Personality traits such as kindness, humor, and intelligence play a significant role in forming lasting relationships. When you focus too much on your looks, you may inadvertently convey superficiality, which can hinder genuine connections. Instead, invest time in developing your character and showcasing your unique qualities. Engaging in meaningful conversations and demonstrating emotional depth can make you far more attractive. Remember, true attraction stems from a blend of personality and looks, with character often taking precedence. One common mistake men make is interrupting women while they speak. This behavior can be frustrating and disrespectful, leading to a breakdown in communication. Active listening is crucial for building rapport and connection. When you interrupt, it signals that you aren't fully engaged, or that you value your own thoughts over hers. Instead, focus on truly hearing what she is saying. Nod, maintain eye contact, and respond thoughtfully after she finishes. This not only shows respect, but also encourages her to open up more. By practicing patience and allowing her to express herself fully, you create a more inviting atmosphere for conversation. Remember, the goal is to foster a genuine connection, and that starts with listening actively and attentively. When it comes to flirting, there's a delicate balance between confidence and aggression. Many men mistakenly believe that being assertive will impress women, but this can often backfire. Aggressive behavior can come off as intimidating or disrespectful, pushing potential partners away instead of drawing them in. It's essential to recognize that confidence should manifest as self-assuredness, not as pressure. Approach conversations with a friendly demeanor, allowing the interaction to flow naturally. Pay attention to her responses and body language. If she seems uncomfortable, it's crucial to dial back. Remember, attraction thrives in a space of mutual respect and comfort. By being aware of this fine line, you can create a more inviting atmosphere that encourages genuine connection and interest. One of the most overlooked mistakes men make while trying to attract women is not respecting personal space. Understanding boundaries is essential in social interactions. When a man invades a woman's personal space too soon, it can create discomfort and even fear. Each individual has a different comfort zone, and it's crucial to be aware of these limits. Instead of leaning in too close or touching without consent, maintain a respectful distance and observe her body language. If she leans in or seems comfortable, that's a positive sign. However, if she steps back or appears tense, it's important to give her space. Respecting personal boundaries not only shows maturity, but also builds trust, making her more likely to engage positively with you. One common mistake men make when trying to attract women is talking excessively about themselves. While sharing personal stories can be engaging, dominating the conversation can come off as self-centered. Women appreciate when men show genuine interest in them, so it's crucial to create a balanced dialogue. Ask open-ended questions that invite her to share her thoughts and experiences. This not only fosters a deeper connection, but also demonstrates that you value her perspective. Instead of turning the conversation into a monologue, aim for a back-and-forth exchange. This approach not only makes the conversation more enjoyable, but also allows both parties to learn about each other. Remember, attraction often stems from mutual interest, so make sure to listen as much as you speak. One of the most overlooked aspects of attraction is humor. A good sense of humor can be a powerful tool in breaking the ice and creating a fun atmosphere. When men neglect humor, they miss out on a chance to connect on a deeper level. Laughter not only eases tension, but also fosters a sense of camaraderie. It shows that you don't take yourself too seriously and can make the interaction enjoyable. However, it's crucial to be mindful of the type of humor used. Avoid offensive jokes or sarcasm that may not translate well. Instead, aim for light-hearted banter that invites laughter. Remember, humor can be the spark that ignites attraction, making conversations memorable and leaving a lasting impression. Embrace it and watch your dating life transform. One of the most significant mistakes men make when trying to attract women is not being genuine. Authenticity is key in any relationship, and women can often sense when someone is being insincere. When you put on a facade or pretend to be someone you're not, it not only creates a false impression, but also sets the stage for misunderstandings later on. Being true to yourself allows for deeper connections and fosters trust. Instead of trying to impress with exaggerated stories or traits, focus on sharing your real interests and passions. This openness invites genuine conversations and helps build a solid foundation for attraction. Remember, authenticity is attractive. It shows confidence and self-awareness, making it easier for women to connect with you on a meaningful level. In today's digital age, many men fall into the trap of over-relying on technology when trying to attract women. Texting and social media can create a false sense of connection, leading to misunderstandings and missed opportunities for genuine interaction. While these tools can help initiate conversations, they shouldn't replace face-to-face communication. Relying too heavily on texting can make it difficult to gauge a woman's reactions and emotions. Instead, focus on engaging in real-life conversations where you can read body language and respond naturally. Limit your texting to setting up dates or light banter, but prioritize in-person interactions to build a stronger connection. Remember, authentic relationships are built on personal engagement, not just digital exchanges. Embrace the power of real conversations. Understanding body language is crucial in dating. Many men overlook this vital aspect, missing out on non-verbal cues that reveal a woman's interest or discomfort. For instance, crossed arms may indicate defensiveness, while leaning in suggests engagement. By observing these signals, you can adjust your approach accordingly. If she mirrors your movements or maintains eye contact, it's a positive sign. Conversely, if she turns away or checks her phone, it might be time to change the subject or give her space. Learning to interpret these cues not only enhances communication, but also builds a deeper connection. It shows that you're attentive and respectful of her feelings. So, pay attention to her body language. It can guide your interactions and improve your dating success significantly. One of the biggest mistakes men make is assuming they know what women are interested in without actually asking. This can lead to misunderstandings and missed connections. Instead of jumping to conclusions, take the time to ask questions and genuinely listen to her responses. Engaging in a conversation allows you to discover her unique interests, passions, and preferences. This not only shows that you value her as an individual, but also helps build a stronger connection. Remember, every woman is different, and what may appeal to one might not resonate with another. By being curious and open, you create an opportunity for meaningful dialogue, making her feel appreciated and understood. So, ditch the assumptions and embrace the power of inquiry in your interactions. In conclusion, we've explored several common mistakes men often make when trying to attract women. From the importance of eye contact and active listening to the need for authenticity and respect for personal space, each point highlights crucial aspects of building genuine connections. It's vital to remember that confidence should not cross into aggression, and humor can significantly enhance interactions. By avoiding generic approaches and focusing on meaningful conversations, men can create a more engaging dating experience. Learning from these mistakes is essential for personal growth. Embrace the journey of dating with respect and an open mind. Approach each interaction as an opportunity to connect authentically, and you'll find that confidence naturally follows. Ultimately, being true to yourself will attract the right partner.